Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to design your very own Galaxy S4 phone case using pickthegift.com. There are multiple different ways to find the phone throughout the website, but the fastest way is just to type it in the search bar. So you come up here to the search bar, click and type. Click search. It's going to bring you to this page, which is the search result page, and you'll click right here where it says Samsung Galaxy S4 case. This is the one we're going to customize today. And it will bring you to this page, which is the personalization page. You're going to click to personalize. It'll bring you these three results, and you can either add design, add text, or add team name. You can do all three, but you just have to choose one at first. So we'll click add design. And we're going to go ahead and choose this arch design because the phone case that you see here in the background is a vertical shape and the arch is a vertical shape. It's not absolutely necessary to do that, but it will produce a better result. So we'll go ahead and click that. All right. Now, once you're to the personalization page, there's a few different ways that you can position the image on the phone. You can use the mouse, which is what I'm doing right here, where you click and drag, and that's more of a manual way to control the image. And you can move it by clicking and dragging. If you hold the corners, you can resize it, and if you click this white corner up here, you can rotate. The other way to position the image on the page is by using the directionals over here. You have position, size, and rotate. Position is going to move it up, down, left, and right. Size is going to blow it up or shrink it, and rotate is going to rotate it. These two right here are rotating it a few degrees at a time. And this larger box here is going to rotate it larger degrees at a time. So we'll get it back to center. Okay. A couple other things to keep in mind, guys, is that we do have these effects down here and the borders. Some effects examples are, let's say you want this to be a black and white picture. You click the grayscale. And there you go, you have it in black and white. There are many of these effects. It's always something fun to try when you're customizing your own product. Another fun thing you can add is a border to your image. Keep in mind the border does not add to the entire border of the phone. It adds to the border of the image itself. So for example, let's say you really like this border. See how it added to just the border of the image and not the entire phone? Just keep that in mind when you're adding a border, because if you like the border but you want it to be stretched out for the entire phone, you need to stretch your image to about right there. You'll kind of mess with it a little bit to get the border on the border of the phone. Anyway, we're not going to use a border or an effect today for the purpose of example, but just keep in mind that you do have those opportunities. What we are going to do, though, is I'm going to show you how to add a background color in case you're interested. So let's just say that you want your picture only here, but you want the bottom of the phone to be a different color. So you go up here to select background color, click the box, and we'll go ahead and make the background color black. All right? And that's how you add a background color. It's going to add the color anywhere behind the picture. Right? And another thing you can do is add text. So I'm going to show you how to add text right now. Go up to here to add text, and we're just going to type in STL, add text. Now that our text is added, we're going to go ahead and change the color, and we're going to shrink it a little bit. To shrink the text, you do the same thing as with the graphic. You can either shrink it by the boxes, or you can shrink up here. So we're just going to shrink it using the boxes. And then to edit the text, you go up here to text options. So we're just going to change our text to white. All right? And then I'm going to go ahead and move this down here, shrink it just a tiny bit more. Okay? And now when you get to the point where you think you kind of like what you have for your design, if you want to get rid of everything and just look at your design, you just click the gray. And that'll get you an image that's just the phone case you've designed without all the noise around it. And when you want to go back to customizing, you simply click the image again. Okay, so let's just say that this is exactly what you want and you're ready to order your product. You're going to go down here to add to cart. We'll save it to the cart, and then you get these three options. If you want to design another item, it's going to add this item to the cart for you and then bring you back to the beginning to design another. That way when you go to check out, you can check out all your items at once. If you don't like the way this looks, you can continue designing, and that will go back to where you just were. If you like everything about it and you're ready to check out, click check out. Checkout's going to bring you to this page, and you can either check out normally or you can check out with PayPal. Once you choose which way to check out, it's going to bring you to your standard checkout page that you run into with most online shopping sites, and you can take it from there. I really hope this video was informative for you guys. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call us up here at this number, and we'll help you in any way we can. Thanks a lot for watching.